ìgbé ayé ìrọ̀rùn. Get a better life TV.
Hello, my beautiful spiritual family, and welcome back to Get a Better Life TV. I'm so grateful to you all. If you are new to our community, please subscribe and join us on this journey to a better life. We've talked about fear, our ancestors, and the power of rituals. Today, we are going to talk about a practice that is at the very heart of all spiritual work: meditation.
Ìkànnì ìgbé ayé ìrọ̀rùn. Get a better life TV.
When you hear the word meditation, you might think of people sitting in silence for hours. Why that is a form of it? In our tradition, meditation is much more than that. It is the practice of being present. It is the art of calming your mind so that you can hear the wisdom of your ancestors, the guidance of the Orishas, and the voice of your own Ori, your inner spiritual head. Fear thrives in a noisy mind. When your mind is filled with worry, anxiety, and constant chatter, there is no space for peace to enter. It's like trying to listen to a quiet whisper in a loud marketplace. You can't hear it. The spiritual messages meant for you, the guidance you need, are like that whisper. You can only hear them in a calm, still mind. One of the biggest misconceptions about meditation is that you have to clear your mind of all thoughts. This is not true. Your mind is a creative, active part of you, and it will always produce thoughts. The goal of meditation is not to stop your thoughts. The goal is to change your relationship with your thoughts. Think of your thoughts as clouds in the sky. You are the sky. You don't have to chase after every cloud or get caught in them. You can simply watch them pass you by. You can observe your fear, your anxiety, and your stress without letting them control you. This simple shift in perspective is incredibly powerful. It takes away the power of fear. In our tradition, our spiritual growth is directly connected to our inner peace. A peaceful mind is a clear mind, and a clear mind is a powerful spiritual tool. Now let's talk about the simple Yoruba spirituality-inspired meditation practices. You don't really need a special room to start. You can practice meditation right where you are. Number 1, the Ori Meditation. This is a simple but profound practice. Place your hands on your head. Gently close your eyes. Take a few deep, slow breaths. Now, turn your focus inward. Send a message of love and gratitude to your Ori. Say something like, "My Ori, my personal divinity, thank you for guiding me. I am open to your wisdom. I release all fear and anxiety and welcome peace." Just sit there for a few minutes, focusing on your breath and the connection with your inner self. This is a powerful way to ground yourself and banish fear. 2, the water meditation. In Yoruba cosmology, water is a symbol of emotion, peace, and cleansing. Using water as a focal point can be a powerful meditation. How to do it? Get a clear glass of water. Sit in a quiet space and hold the glass. Watch the water. Notice its clarity and its stillness. As you look at the water, imagine that it is a mirror reflecting the peace you want in your life. Visualize all your fears and worries dissolving into the water. After a few minutes, drink the water. This is an act of spiritual absorption, taking in peace and cleansing your inner self. 3. Meditation on the drum beats. In Yoruba tradition, the drum is a sacred instrument that connects us to the divine. The sound of the drum can be used as a form of meditation. How to do it? Find an Orisha drumming track online or a song that features a drum rhythm, especially the Orisha you resonate with the most or your calling Orisha. Close your eyes and focus on the beats. Let the rhythm guide your breathing. As you listen, imagine the sound of the drum is a heartbeat, the heartbeat of the universe, the heartbeat of your ancestors. Let the sound wash away your worries and fill you with a sense of rhythm, purpose, and peace. Now, let's talk about the benefits of peaceful mind. When you practice meditation consistently, you will notice a change in your life. You will be less reactive to stress. You will feel more connected to your spiritual guides. And most importantly, you will find that fear no longer has the same power over you. You will see a challenging dream, not as a threat, but as a message. You will feel a moment of anxiety, not as a reason to panic, but as a passing thought. You will begin to live a life that is truly peaceful and free. So, my beautiful family, your spiritual journey is not just about what you do in a ritual. It is about how you live your life. And the foundation of a peaceful, fearless life is a peaceful, calm mind. Thank you for being on this journey with me. Please leave a comment below, like, and share. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, and bye for now. Let's stop this first.
Ìkànnì ìgbé ayé ìrọ̀rùn Get a Better Life TV.